When it comes to managing diabetes mellitus, a little bit of everything is important. You need to eat a balanced diet and exercise regularly, but you also want to take care of your blood sugar levels. There are all sorts of scams out there that promise to help with diabetes, so it's important to do your research before making any decisions. Diabetes mellitus is a disease. The disease diabetes mellitus is a condition that affects the body in some people. It is caused by a problem with the blood sugar levels. When the levels of blood sugar get too high, it can cause problems like diabetes. How do you diagnose diabetes mellitus? To diagnose diabetes mellitus, you will need to have medical checkup and test done by your doctor. There are many tests you can be screened for, including a scan for glucose, a test to measure how much sugar is in your blood. A glucose lab test tests to see if you have diabetes. A lipstick test to determine if you are pre-diabetic, have a problem with your blood sugar levels before. What are the symptoms of diabetes mellitus? Some common symptoms of diabetes include feeling sick or having low blood sugar levels, not being able to eat or drink without feeling sick, blurred vision, hearing loss, feeling thirsty all the time, being easily fatigued, feeling fast when walking or running, joint pain, and weight loss. How to manage diabetes mellitus? A healthy diet for diabetes mellitus is important to manage the disease effectively. A balanced diet includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy, and protein. You should also be aware of sugar-sweetened drinks and foods that can make diabetes worse, such as sugar-added syrups and sweeteners. To help prevent weight gain and improve blood sugar control, you should exercise regularly. And if you have type 2 diabetes, you should take medications to control blood sugar levels. How to exercise for diabetes mellitus? Exercising for diabetes mellitus can involve a variety of activities such as walking or running. You can also try to restrict your calories or eat fewer carbs and more protein while keeping your exercise intensity high enough to maintain blood sugar control without putting weight on. How to prevent diabetes mellitus? If you are obese or have type 2 diabetes, it is important to avoid excessive weight and unhealthy eating. To do this, you will need to eat a healthy diet that is low in sugar and high in fiber. You should also try to restrict your daily caffeine intake, as it can increase the risk of developing diabetes mellitus. How to keep your diabetes mellitus under control? To keep diabetes mellitus under control, you will need to take steps to prevent its development. These steps include limiting your physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, getting adequate sleep, and avoiding uncontrolled drinking. Diabetes mellitus is a disease that can cause extreme weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other serious health complications. However, with proper care and management, it can be managed successfully. By eating a healthy diet, exercising for diabetes mellitus, avoiding excessive weight and unhealthy eating, and making better diabetes mellitus management.